Welcome to the Pete Show, Redneck Brewing with Country Pete Edition. I think this is episode 4 or 5. I haven't edited them all yet. We're going to do just actually this isn't an episode. This is just a tasting of a mead I made. We're just going to throw it up there. This is what I call Dragon Breath. It is 10 pounds of honey, 6 jalapenos, and 6 pounds of Costco mixed berries. The honey is from Costco also. So we're going to move it to a secondary fermenter.
Very cool.
So it's called racking.
Racking, yes, correct. It was brewed almost 2 months ago. 2 months minus for 5 days.
It's a great color on that, Pete. Great.
So I'm going to take a little bit out of here and pour some of these little glasses. So
Where's your flask?
My flask.
Your cylinder.
Oh, my hydrometer? My
I mean, what you use to pour the liquid in to use your hydrometer.
Oh, it's in there in the sterilizer. I should get that out, huh?
Yeah.
It's tough being around somebody so smart all the time.
But it's never tough to hang out with me.
It almost looked like I was giving you some pleasure time, Pete Noir.
Join us for the After Hours Pete Show. Great head in your beer and your life.
What
was your starting gravity on this?
I can't see. .08, which it would make it 1.0. Whatever. Country Pete got a new measurer thingy.
Using a hydrometer reminds me of working at the mud plant.
Is that where?
You might need to try this up there. You don't want it touching the side.
I think it says not level.
The table's leaning.
Yeah.
It is at the 1.000 line.
Let me check. Let me just verify. Trust. But verify. No. Here, you hold this.
You say you won't be able to taste the capsaicin on this, but I can smell it.
That's fine. I'm sure it pulled it out. Definitely during the soaking. I just don't know if it's gonna come through.
Would you like to eat one of these jalapenos?
Yes, I would. But I'm not gonna jam my fingers in there.
No, that's fine. Not till we get it all out.
Yeah. I'll
All
eat.
right.
I'll eat all those jalapenos.
So nice and dry.
We like to
000.
We like to make our own pickles. We use ghost peppers or
I'll take this
habaneros,
back. You can get your notes.
serranos.
The one thing about when you're redneck brewing with Country Pete, if Happy Pete is here, the notes are considerably, like 50% better.
Did you put a date on there?
It is 10/10.
And what did you say your starting potential was?
1.08.
Yeah, but what's that
I
now?
don't fucking know.
You got the hydrometer right there.
Yeah. Just bringing back memories of making brine.
It says flat. That's not right. 1.08.
Get a new sample.
Right above 10%.
It's like 10 and a quarter.
Yeah.
How much honey did you say you used?
10 pounds.
Okay, so that's reasonable.
You got a little bit from the berries then. You go El Burro. This thing's so tall it's hard to get stuff in it. I'm gonna do that with this. All right. And I really smell.
Yeah, it's there.
I really smell the.
It's present. I have been wrong before. You just ask my wife. It's very.
Hard for me to smell, but I do smell it.
So what do you think?
I'm getting.
Are we?
I'm getting a lot of like the pepper skin. You know, not so much heat, but definitely you're getting the flavor of that raw jalapeno. You used raw jalapenos.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're definitely getting that raw jalapeno flavor. Not so much spice. Did you just chop jalapenos up and put them in there? Okay.
Yeah, you can't. This would not be able to go on the bottom.
It should be fine on the bottom.
Just a gentle pumping motion for full release.
All right. Yeah, I definitely I can taste it. I wasn't even here. I heard what you said.
You're getting you're getting something from the bottom in there, and you're getting lots of bubbles.
It's fine.
Okay.
This is secondary. It's you're supposed to get just as few as you can get.
But just
After the next one, you'll.
So, just what I thought. You're getting more of the jalapeno flavor and not the spice, which is fine. It's different because you don't often taste peppers. You don't often taste peppers, and people go more for spice.
Where are they getting air from? I don't understand.
That is weird.
I've never seen a siphon do that. Not when it's like clearly below.
Yeah,
that.
it is. I don't know.
Yeah, you got me. I don't know.
It's got to be getting air from inside this tube. Maybe there's a crack in the cylinder.
It could be.
Maybe.
It wasn't doing that originally.
Getting a lot of solids in there.
I'm not super worried about the solids.
Again, no, great color. Big fan, Pete.
Are you holding it away from the bottom right now?
Yeah, it's working great right now.
Seems like there's something on the bottom.
Maybe
Is there a pocket?
Just in 2 weeks. There's a new Atlantis that formed in the bottom of the thing, and I'm poking the hole through the top and sucking out the air for them, killing the little Atlanteans. Feedback.
So this is clearly a meat in progress, unfinished, and it tastes that way. But that's fine at this point. I do notice jalapeno. When you said you had 6 in here, I didn't think that'd be enough to notice, but
I definitely taste it.
I definitely noticed.
I don't feel any heat though. I guess it doesn't.
Yeah, I don't notice any heat. I get kind of the flavor of it a little, but
which is an interesting flavor.
It definitely adds. I mean, it almost overpowers the blueberries and the blackberries.
I notice it more than the berries.
Yeah.
The berries are definitely there, but I am surprised that much jalapeno has actually kind of taken the forefront.
I just say that I love the taste though. I'm actually very happy with the taste.
Yeah, this like I said, in process, but it tastes like it's on track to turn out.
Did that go to the bottom again?
Mm-hmm.
Most of the spice in your generic pepper is located in the pith. That like soft white flesh in the middle, not from the skin or from the seeds.
Yeah, all that went in. The seeds. Only thing that didn't go into this was the top part, so like the little stem part at the top.
I will eat one of those jalapenos. I just feel like it's going to be the reverse of what I'm drinking. It's going to be a jalapeno that tastes a lot like blueberries.
So I think this has enough jalapeno taste that someone who doesn't really like heat would like this and drink it and feel like they were able to taste a jalapeno without being on fire.
Like someone eating a white chili.
Oh, I wish we should give Miss Country Pete a little bit.
Yeah. Someone who thinks like a white chili is spicy.
Yeah, when she thinks like a teaspoon of. Yeah, maybe we'll do it some other time. I don't really want to take this back out.
Same.
Did you use any juice, or is it just frozen berries?
10 pounds of honey, 6 jalapenos, 6 pounds of Costco mixed berries. I did use 1 gallon of apple juice.
No, okay.
I must have had it just laying around. I wanted to get rid of it. I did use the wine tannin, the pectic
yes.
enzyme, and acid blend. So I pulled out every trick in the book to try to get it to clear up. So
I was gonna ask, it does have that tongue feel, that tan.
it does feel like full on the tongue.
I don't think you needed pectic enzyme for anything in this.
It had come in like 3 days before I made this.
Maybe there's other reasons to use it, but I think the main reason to use that is if you're boiling, you feel like you're doing a raspberry wheat beer where you're boiling a lot of raspberries and you don't want it to, start to solidify kind of, or the pectic enzyme breaks up because you start to make pectin if you boil certain things.
I thought pectin came from the skins of the berries. So I will do some research and see
I
if
think
that's
it needs
true.
to be boiled for that to start to happen, and I think that's why you put in the pectic enzyme, because that enzyme breaks up the pectin. But I don't think you need it if you're not boiling. I could be wrong, but I thought that was
Not
more
normally.
of a raspberry wheat type.
Lots of things are released from cooking, though. I think you're onto something.
Anyway, the bigger, more important thing is it came in 3 days before we brewed this, so I wanted to use all the stuff that I had. I definitely do feel like the tongue feel of this was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it felt full and it felt. I'm probably gonna cut some of this because I want this to be real small. So. Well, thanks for joining us. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord. We're gonna do some fun Discord stuff, Discord games and stuff. So join us on Discord. Have a good day.
Woo.